About to hit some troll trail. Let's get it. Solo mission, troll trail. Sometimes it ain't a good idea if you're out here by yourself. Ooh, what the hell? That sticks almost stabbed me in the neck, dude. Like straight missed me. Like I was saying, if you're out here by yourself on this trail, it can be pretty stupid to do, because if you go off the side and your bike is down, you know, how the hell are you gonna get it back up without help? I guess call somebody, but you know, that'll take a while. Whatever, anyways, we're not gonna think about that. We're just gonna take it easy. We ain't trying to win a race, we're just out here having fun. Ripping in the sun. You gotta keep coming out here. Because if not, these trails just get overgrown, dude, and then, you know, I guess they'll come out and recut them up before red sticker season, probably, I bet you, but I don't know, call me the tree cutter or whatever for the red sticker guys, because I'm out here green. Woo! Ah, that was shoulder to the tree, that hurt. I'm out here, keeping all these trails up to par in a way, like, not really like I'm doing anything right now to help it, but you know, one bike through, who knows? It might make a bit of a difference than no bikes. And whoa, see, like that, freaking rock hanging out, caught my front tire. And yeah, so we're out. Oh, shit. We're just ripping. You may ask, why do I come out here by yourself? I don't know, I like this stuff. Alright, we're all turned around. We're gonna go that way. I was checking out this sign though. I noticed a lot of people scratch on it or whatever, scribe their name. But I see hearts on there, man. Like there's a heart right there. Melvin plus Diggs or something like that. It has a heart around it. There's another heart over there. It says PD, P plus D. And what guy is coming out here in the tight ass troll trail section and wants to describe a heart with either, you know, his girlfriend's name or whatever. That's pretty gay, if you ask me. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, it's a little weird because, you know, you're out here deep in the game. You know, probably a pretty decent rider, a little bit of a badass. You stop and scribe a little heart. It's pretty. Right on, more power to you guys. Now, if I was a girl, whatever. But a guy, so it's a little funny. Just saying. Let's get back into it. Oh, right on. Get back into it. I think this just turns around. Sure does. Well, we did that turnaround for nothing. Back to where we are. There's a sign. is. Oh, my head! That tree's fell down. Hey, we got some breathing room. Shit. Ow, caught my boot. Definitely a little more overgrown than I remember. Man, I know where we're at. This is always a sketchy turnaround right here. Thank you, tree. The tree caught me. I was about to eat crap. Literally. Alright, we're heading down, heading out. Definitely freaking too overgrown. The one thing I can't stand is when they... Oh shit. Hold up, wait a minute. Where does that go? We'll do that for another day. One thing I can't stand though is being hot and sweaty and like little dry leaves and stuff falling in your shirt. Like I got some in my neck right now. And that's like super annoying. So we're bailing. We're bailing Troll Trail. Oh shit! Check that out. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a dead baby deer. Got eaten up by some. Maybe it's the troll. We are on Troll Trail. Rest in peace, little dude. I'm not sure. I might have ran over his face. Shit, my bad. Pretty rowdy. What? See what I mean? How the hell are we gonna get over that? Fucking rangers, I tell you, dude, it pissed me off. I mean, I don't know if that was a ranger. Looks like it might have fell over, actually. Uprooted. That's where I could have went. Alright, we're gonna leave this recording. I'm gonna play play the whole damn thing. Watch me get out of here. Struggle, who knows? Oh. Alright guys, you seen all that right there. Probably somebody else is like, oh, I could get through that, but that was pretty rough. Alright guys, you guys smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Peace guys.